In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Trello Error 502, also known as the 502 Bad Gateway Error. If you've opened Trello and suddenly see a message saying 502 Bad Gateway, don't panic. In most cases, this is a temporary server-side issue, and it can be resolved in just a few simple steps. I'll walk you through exactly what this error means and the practical fixes you can try right away. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software fixes. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what a Trello Error 502 actually is. A 502 Bad Gateway Error usually means that Trello's proxy server received an invalid response from an upstream server. In simple terms, Trello's servers are having trouble communicating with each other. This is typically not caused by anything wrong on your computer. Most of the time, it's a temporary glitch on Trello's end, and it resolves itself within a few minutes. Now let's go through the fixes step by step. The first and easiest fix is simply refreshing the page. On Windows, press F5 on your keyboard. On Mac, you can press Command and R. This forces your browser to reload the page and request fresh data from Trello servers. If the error was just a temporary hiccup, refreshing the page will often fix it instantly. If refreshing doesn't work, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes your browser stores outdated or corrupted files, and that can interfere with how Trello loads. To do this in most browsers, click on the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. After clearing them, close your browser completely and reopen it, then try accessing Trello again. If you'd rather not clear all your browsing data, another quick test is to open Trello in Incognito mode. In Chrome, click the three dots and choose New Incognito Window. In other browsers, this may be called Private Window or Private Browsing. Incognito mode disables most extensions and ignores existing cookies, which helps you determine if the issue is related to your browser settings. Once the private window opens, go to Trello.com and log in. If it works there, the issue is likely related to your cache, cookies, or a browser extension. Another important thing to consider is that the issue may simply be on Trello's side. Since a 502 error is typically server-related, sometimes the only solution is to wait. You can check Trello's official status page by searching for Trello status in Google. This page shows whether there are ongoing outages or maintenance updates. If there's a reported issue, you'll just need to give it some time until their team resolves it. You can also try switching browsers or using the Trello mobile app temporarily. For example, if you're using Chrome, try opening Trello in Firefox or Edge. This helps rule out browser-specific problems. So to quickly recap, first, refresh the page using F5 or Command and R. Second, clear your browser cache and cookies. Third, try incognito mode. And finally, check Trello server status and wait if the issue is on their end. In most cases, the Trello Error 502 is temporary and resolves quickly, so there's no need to worry. Just follow these steps and you'll be back to managing your boards in no time. If this video helped you fix the Trello 502 Bad Gateway Error, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.